I mean, I doubt anyone has seen an M1000 in person yet. They are pretty rare, especially right now because they're still very new. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know you're sick and tired of seeing this bike, but I'm sorry, it's a new bike and it's a cool new bike. You know, this is almost equivalent to, well, technically it is equivalent to the V4R because it's BMW's best, you know. But I don't know, man. I've been wanting to ride it often, and I've never taken it to any meets. So I figured this will be its first meet. I know it doesn't have an exhaust, so it's kind of like, why am I even taking it to the meet? But whatever. Last night my friends told me to join to this meet even though it's early and cloudy and cold. I was like, all right, whatever, I'll do it. As always, I'm a bit late. Not too late though. Yeah, I got a long day ahead, but it should be fun. This is officially the first meet for the M1000RR. Do you guys like my little chain thingy with my @ and everything? I tried to get like the colors matching to the bike. I figured like a light baby blue, you know, is fitting for BMW. Oh yes, heat up baby, heat up. That feels good. I already have two little like issues with this bike. This bike is not as perfect as sometimes I make it sound. The issues aren't major, they're not related to performance obviously, but still they're issues for such an expensive bike that do kind of bother me. First things first, look at this. Apparently it's a thing that I can warranty, but look at the carbon right here, like from the vibrations and just riding because your leg is pressing on it, it like nicked off the tank. And this is a very expensive tank. So oh my god, no wonder this light like turns on for like 5 seconds. Oh, let me see those.
Oh yes.
Can I move it?
Yeah. It's good. Are those the knockoffs?
It's all right. I mean, for the price difference, this is actually impressive. These are the best ones I've seen so far, but I can already see like fitment isn't perfect. This doesn't feel like mine. Yeah.
Are they two different brands?
This is the OG one. This is the knockoff. Yeah. No, actually. But I mean, for the price, this is like $500. This is like $150.
Oh,
so
$130.
So for the, well, yeah, because
for the price, it's not bad.
For the price, they actually look very similar. The ones I've seen before look way more different. But I can definitely, just from looking at it and touching it, feel the build quality. So I can't see really next to me, but like I do this and I can see behind me. So you know, it's like better than nothing, you know. At least I'm knowing what's behind me. Everyone's all loud except for your boy over here and my friend on the R1M that you guys probably saw. I don't want to be too close to everyone because I still haven't PPF'd the front of this bike. Wow, look at that. For once, I'm all the way in the back. I kind of like not leading. I don't have that responsibility. It's really cold today. It would have been nice if I wore my jacket. We gotta take her to her first meet. Whoa, that kind of scared me. Didn't see that one coming. He's staring. Ooh. I like going into this meet because there's always like cool cars leaving. Siri, I'm not talking to you. Oh. Oh. breaking necks out here. Nice. Full on like OG race car. Ooh, is that the new NSX? I've never seen one in person. It is. I don't know. I think the older gen looks a little more aggressive. It's pretty. I just don't think it's as pretty as the new one. She hates us. We're not doing anything. We're being nice. You guys know the drill. We'll go around. Maybe we'll go around a little extra this time. We're actually early-ish for once. That's why you see way more people in cars. Maybe I should have brought the HU since we're somewhat early. Don't worry, kid, I saw you. Alright, I think a lot of people are appreciating these bikes. I see the smiles. I see the faces. I mean, I doubt anyone has seen an M1000 in person yet. They are pretty rare, especially right now because they're still very new. Excuse me, Lambo, I think I can get through faster than you. Alright, yeah, excuse me, sir. These are the cool 2 rows, so I think that's enough burning my clutch. We'll park with the boys wherever they went. I don't even see them. I still don't see them. Where'd they go? I'm so confused. Where are they? Oh, they're parked all the way in the end.
Love the bike, bro.
Thanks, man. That Tesla, though. Should I do that to my Tesla, guys? I'm joking. I wouldn't. I don't want to be that guy. It's cool, though. I'm not hating on it. It's cool to look at. Excuse me. Oh, jeez. Rusty this morning.
Fastest in the middle, nicest in the front.
How you doing, man?
I rented your S1000 before.
What's up?
I rented your S1000.
Oh, you did? Dang, I never met you. Sorry, man. Yeah. Today someone's going to pick it up. My friend was gonna ride it, but someone's picking it up at 11. How'd you like it?
Oh, I love it.
Yeah?
Yeah, but I ended up buying I got a CBR 1000.
Still a good choice.
That's my dream bike, though. The S1000.
Yeah.
Take this one because I know.
Yeah. Did you rent the S1000 back when? Did it have the Stage 2 tune on it?
Yeah, I got it right after you got the tune.
All right.
You switched to the GP shit.
Okay. So you had the fun stuff at least.
This is nice.
Thank you, appreciate it.
My ass said, bro, it's not an R1, it's an R6 with a body package. Like, no way. I'm like, yeah, but
Oh my God, this guy. It's the R1M package.
It's an R6.
It's R6M package. Was it raining a little bit, or was I tripping?
Yeah, no, in the morning too it was raining.
Yeah.
When I was, like,
Okay. See, I was telling the people, this is why I don't do like this early shit, man. It's cold, it's packed. But I mean, the meat is cool, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah,
The meat is cool. Alright, people got mad at me because I didn't show them the bikes last time, so I'm gonna go around. Yeah. Oh, who is this? Yo. Yeah. Huh? Yes. No, it all came with it. Yeah. All the carbon came stock with it. I bought a lot more carbon, but everything you see on it came with it pretty much.
What are you gonna do? This in carbon?
This right, everything that's plastic is gonna be carbon. So I'm gonna do this, which is like this one big piece, this front piece right here. Half the windscreen is gonna be carbon. This right here, I'm gonna do the entire belly in carbon. So everything that is like cheap plastic is pretty much gonna be carbon.
Are you gonna do the exhaust?
Yeah, I have full exhaust system already coming.
What are you gonna do?
Yeah, it's gonna be really loud.
Alright, brother. It was nice seeing you.
Nice seeing you too, bro. Yeah, I was saying earlier. So one thing right here, apparently it's a manufacturer defect because you see how like the carbon is literally touching. So I can't even press on it. That's how tight it is. So that's why like it does that from all the vibrations and all that stuff. I was like, I hear a drag clutch. I know this guy. We've been on a ride with him before. Another thing is that my bike doesn't lock anymore. So I know you guys are gonna be like, oh, just try wiggling it and stuff like that. It literally doesn't. Like I've tried so many different things. I've tried the other day for like 20 minutes and just wouldn't like lock. Something doesn't line up. I'm assuming maybe when they replaced the ring nut for me, the triple clamp moved or something. All right.
Oh, look, your wheel is not all the way.
Try.
Nope, no, it doesn't.
I know.
You cannot look the dealership?
No more lock for you.
That's why I'm taking it. I'm taking it tomorrow after we're done. For them, I think when they adjusted this, something moved a little bit and it's misaligned. Gotta put the BMWs together.
Always.
We'll do full wing style.
I'm gonna take a photo of this.
I know, this is actually really cool.
What are we talking about? Like 2000?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I the limits. 40? 100. I just tell people it has an HP4 race engine in it.
Oh my god, this guy.
One of those. Who's that? This has different options. Yeah, this is really fun.
Yes, I gotta film, you know.
Saw Top Gun last night, so like my love of bikes.
I have that same bike. I should have brought it. I messed up. I forgot that the movie came out. I definitely should have brought that bike. Next time.
MK?
Yeah.
Oh, what's up, man?
How you doing?
Nice to meet you, brother.
I should have brought that bike. I messed up. I forgot about the movie.
Hey, that's still a good bike, brother.
Yeah. And yeah, I'll be here next weekend with the H2. Everyone loves that bike. I just always take it to these events, so I gotta show love to the other bikes.
These are gorgeous.
Thank you. Okay, good. The BMW is getting some more love. This one's really cool. What is this over here? Interesting. Alright, I'm gonna start doing this every meet I go to. I want you guys to let me know in the comments. Oh, come on. I'm glad I didn't block everyone. Alright, I'm gonna get out of the way. Every meet I go to, we're gonna do this. I'm gonna walk around cars like I usually do. I think last time was the only time I didn't do that and you guys got bothered because I didn't show you the cars, but it was really, really hot, so. This is really clean. But yeah, let me know in the comments which car you would take or which one is your favorite. So we're gonna be doing that every meet I go to, since I always go to meets and you guys love these videos, even though it's getting a little repetitive, same title and thumbnail every time, but you guys like it and I like it too, so you know, it's a win-win. Yeah, there's a lot of cars, but these are like the 2 rows of the cool vehicles, the bikes and the supercars. Yeah, way less bikes today because look at the weather. Not a lot of people want to ride. This thing is what even. That'd be cool to drive here. I'm gonna say that sounds like an R1, which could be mistaken for a V4, RS V4. The new factory, pretty nice. I think mine looks better, but this one is nice too. How you doing, man? How you doing, man? What that? This thing is wild. It's my car on a lot of steroids. 1 of 1. It's definitely 1 of 1, man. I don't think anyone will do this. I hope you guys enjoyed so far. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. If we do a fun ride or something like that, something eventful, then I will, I don't know, I will let you guys know. You guys will see that. If not, I'm assuming not, because A, it's going to be traffic on the way back, as you guys have seen before, and B, look at the weather, so I thought we were going to do like a longer ride. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please support the channel. And yeah, first meet for the M1000. Say congrats to the M1000 for, you know, popping its cherry. First time taking it to the meet. Alright, hopefully next time we take her to the meet, she's gonna have a full exhaust system and sound beautiful. But yeah, peace out, ride safe. Hope you guys enjoyed.